A lot of people get nervous about cooking couscous, but it's actually one of the easiest things you can make in your kitchen. Let me show you how. To make the perfect couscous, you want equal parts liquid to couscous. You're looking for about 60 to 100 grams of couscous, so about 1/3 to 1/2 cup per person, and you can use any liquid you want. I'm using water, but you could use a chicken or a vegetable stock or anything else that you want to boost the flavor. It may not look like enough when you're portioning out your dried couscous, but it does double in size once it's cooked. You'll want to use a pot with a tight-fitting lid. Add the water to your pot and set it to boil. Once the water's boiling, add in a knob of butter, a pinch or so of salt, and get your couscous in there and give it a quick stir. Pop the lid on and take it off the heat. Let it sit for 10 minutes. Do not lift the lid. After 10 minutes, the couscous will have absorbed all of the liquid. Now with a fork, just give it a little fluff. Continue fluffing until all of the big lumps are gone. It's nice and fluffed up, and now you're ready to add whatever you want to it to serve. This couscous is destined for a cooled Greek salad, full of cucumbers and feta cheese, tomatoes and olives, and a really lemony dressing. But couscous is so versatile that you can use it with any variety of flavors. It's beautiful with raisins and lemons and spices alongside a beautiful stew, or it's perfect for a spring salad full of blanched asparagus and peas. And why not add a little mint too? And now that you're a pro at cooking couscous, I think you're gonna love this recipe. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button down below and make sure to come back for another video next week. See you then.